You're about to discover a secret they don't want you to know. But first, hit subscribe, smash that like, and turn on the bell. Don't miss what digital psychology is hiding from you. Your attention equals their profit. Are you plugged in? Do you feel your mind wandering from one app to another? Are you aware that every click, every view, every scroll has a price? Today we are diving deep into an issue that affects all of us in this digital age. Your attention is being bought and sold, and it's time to reclaim what's rightfully ours. So hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let's dive in. You've been programmed. In today's digital world, our attention spans have become the ultimate currency. You've been programmed to be a consumer of content, a product of the very system that's designed to keep you engaged. But how much do you really know about the forces at play? Welcome to our channel, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Scroll, like, Our brains are complex machines, intricate puzzles with multiple layers that scientists and researchers are still trying to fully understand. We're just starting to learn how these mechanisms work and how they can be manipulated. Enter dopamine, the brain's feel-good neurotransmitter. It's released whenever we experience pleasure or anticipate a reward. But what happens when this natural process is hijacked? What occurs when artificial stimuli like those found in social media applications repeatedly overstimulate our dopamine receptors? Researchers peg this as one of the primary reasons behind addiction to social media. These apps are designed to exploit our natural dopamine response, turning it into a potent addictive force. Through clever design choices, notifications, gamification, and endless feeds, these platforms keep you hooked, ensuring you return again and again. And that, my friends, is the science behind the scroll, like dopamine repeat cycle. They know what you want before you do. Have you ever wondered how Netflix seems to know exactly what movie you want to watch, or how Amazon recommends products that you end up buying? Behind these seemingly magical abilities lies a robust and often hidden infrastructure of data collection and algorithmic recommendation. Netflix and Amazon leverage sophisticated algorithms and machine learning to analyze vast amounts of user data. They study your viewing habits, purchase history, ratings, and even your interactions with other users. By understanding your preferences down to the most granular level, these companies can tailor their recommendations to maximize your engagement. It's a powerful tool that not only influences what you consume, but also shapes your perception of what's popular or trending. This creates a personalized experience that keeps you coming back for more, all while feeding these tech giants with the data they need to stay one step ahead. Attention is the new gold. In the digital era, attention has become the most valuable commodity. Tech giants have mastered the art of capturing and monetizing your attention. Every click, every view, and every like is a data point that contributes to your detailed profile. These companies then sell access to this information to advertisers who use it to target you with laser-focused ads. Your interests, your demographics, your online behavior, all of it is part of a grand market research scheme that ensures you see products and services that are precisely tailored to you. The result is a highly effective advertising system that drives sales and profits while giving you a seemingly personalized user experience. This intricate dance of data collection, analysis, and targeted advertising shows how your attention is not only the key to unlocking relevant content, but also the driving force behind a multi-billion-dollar industry. Your life is being designed. It's no secret that technology has permeated nearly every facet of our lives. From the smartphones in our pockets to the smart devices in our homes, technology has become an integral part of the modern existence. But what if we told you that this technology is not as neutral as it may seem? What if your life is being subtly shaped by the very technologies you depend on? Immersive technologies like virtual reality and augmented reality have the power to transport us to different worlds, allowing us to experience things that were once only a figment of imagination. But this power comes with a caveat. As these technologies evolve, they also present unique challenges and ethical dilemmas. For instance, how do we ensure that the virtual worlds we inhabit are inclusive and representative of our real-world values? Or how do we strike a balance between the virtual and the real, ensuring that one doesn't overshadow the other? Furthermore, immersive technologies raise questions about privacy, security, and the potential for misuse. As these technologies continue to evolve, it's essential that we engage in thoughtful and proactive discussions about their impact on society. Only through careful consideration and planning can we harness the incredible potential of immersive technologies while mitigating the risks they pose. Are you ready to take a journey into the heart of the technological revolution? If so, you won't want to miss out on the insights shared by these brilliant minds. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below with your thoughts on immersive technologies. Let's get the conversation started. Together, we can shape the future of technology and ensure that it serves humanity in the best possible way. The eyes of the world are watching you. In the digital age, our actions and even our inactions speak volumes about us. Every like, every share and every comment contributes to a digital footprint that tells a story. These digital breadcrumbs can reveal our interests, our beliefs, and even our relationships. But here's the intriguing part. It's not just the quantity of our online activity that matters, it's also the quality and the context. A casual browser history can tell you a lot about a person, but it's the interactions, the engagements, and the conversations that truly paint a detailed picture. Imagine a world where brands and organizations leverage this data to understand not just who you are, but what makes you tick. Personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with your passions, community initiatives that align with your values, and services tailored to your lifestyle. It's a future where brands don't just sell you products, they offer solutions that fit seamlessly into your life. The question is, are you ready to embrace this future? Are you ready to share your story with the world and let the world understand you better? After all, in this digital age, our online presence is an extension of our real-world selves. Do you feel like your life is slipping through your fingers? In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel like you're merely reacting to circumstances beyond your control. The relentless pressure to conform, the constant noise of social media, and the feeling of being trapped in a cycle that seems to have a mind of its own. But what if there's a way to break free from this cycle? What if you can regain control of your life and make conscious choices that lead you toward a future you're excited about? The path to liberation begins with a single step, a step towards self-awareness and personal growth. It's about taking stock of your life, understanding your motivations, values, and aspirations. It's about recognizing the patterns that hold you back and breaking free from the limitations you've set for yourself. Can you hear the call to action? Can you feel the urgency to reclaim your life? The time is now. You have the power to transform your circumstances and create a future that aligns with your true self. It's time to rewrite your story. Are you ready to join the movement? Are you ready to say yes to a life that's authentic, fulfilling, and truly yours? If you're ready, if you're eager to embark on this transformative journey, know that you're not alone. There's a growing community of individuals who are also ready to break free from the ordinary and embrace a life that's extraordinary. Together, we are stronger. Together, we can support, inspire, and motivate one another to reach new heights. So reach out, connect with others who share your aspirations, and form a network of like-minded individuals. It's in unity that we find strength, encouragement, and collective power. And remember, the journey may not always be easy, but as long as you keep moving forward, as long as you stay true to yourself, you will reach your destination. The world awaits you. It's time to show up, speak up, and create the life you've always wanted. Are you ready to answer the call? Take it back. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the digital world? Do you yearn for a simpler time when life wasn't dictated by notifications and algorithms? It's time to take a stand, to reclaim your life and break free from the chains that bind you. Say goodbye to the endless scroll feed, to the constant pressure to conform, and to the feeling of being trapped in a digital maze. Take a deep breath, disconnect from the noise, and reconnect with yourself. It's a chance to evaluate, to reset, and to redefine what truly matters to you. Remember, you have the power to shape your future. So go ahead, delete those apps, silence the notifications, and step away from the screen. The world won't stop without you, and you'll return refreshed and ready to embrace a life that's more authentic, more meaningful, and truly yours. That was a quick 10-minute explainer video, wasn't it? But it was important to deliver this message quickly to match the pace of the platforms where this content will be distributed. Now it's time for some shameless self-promotion. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you enjoyed this particular piece, show your support by hitting the like button and dropping a comment below with your thoughts or any suggestions you might have for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. My friend, subscribe. Please like it. Leave comments. Share it with a friend.